In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Discord Nitro gift card. If you've received a Discord Nitro gift card and you're not sure how to redeem it, don't worry. The process is very quick and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can activate your Nitro without any confusion. Before you begin, make sure you already have access to your Discord account since the gift will be applied directly to the account you're logged into. Start by opening Discord on your device. You can do this either through the desktop app or in your web browser, depending on how you normally use the platform. Once Discord is open, log into your account if you haven't already. Take a moment here to confirm that you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one, because the Nitro gift will be redeemed on the account that is currently signed in. After you're logged in, go to User Settings by clicking the gear icon. You'll usually find this in the lower left area of the Discord window near your profile section. This is where Discord keeps account-related options and subscription tools. Inside User Settings, look for Gift Inventory and select it. This section is specifically designed for handling gift-based items, including Nitro gift redemptions. Once you're there, you'll see an option to enter your gift card code. Carefully type or paste the code exactly as it was provided. It's a good idea to double-check for any missing or extra characters before moving forward, since even a small mistake can prevent the code from being accepted. When the code is entered correctly, click Redeem. At that point, Discord will process the gift card and apply the Nitro to your account. If everything goes through successfully, your subscription benefits should become available right away. Now, if instead of a code you received a gift link, the process is even simpler. Open the gift link directly. Discord will then prompt you to verify that you're signed into the correct account. This step is important because once the gift is accepted, it will be tied to that account. After confirming the account details, click Accept Gift. Discord will automatically activate Nitro for you, so there's no need to manually enter anything else. And that's it. That's how to pay with a Discord Nitro gift card and redeem a Nitro gift link on Discord. If you're following along, just take your time, make sure you're on the right account, and the activation should only take a minute.